The good thing about the Ducati V4S is the wiring comes to upgrade the pillion seat to a heated seat. So we bought the heated seat, comes with a switch in the middle, off and to positions, low and high, and a plug. So the first thing we need to do is release the rear pillion seat. Key in, turn, up it comes. Put that somewhere safe, and you may be able to see the wire's already there. Right, just to make this a little bit easier, we'll just take off the driver's seat, which is 2 clips, and pull out. Oh, also heated. Right, you can see now the wiring. This is the pillion seat. It's on the clip. Lift up and pull it out. So these plugs have little locating clips, just keep them out of the way. But for now, we'll just plug everything back in. A bit fiddly. Push in and turn. Right. And then the pillion seat just hook in the back. Right, turn the dash on now. I'll show you how it operates. We'll turn the dash on first. Right, for the rider seat, we've got it operated off the actual joystick. But for the pillion seat, it's on the switch. So you see when I did the switch, came on, it's on position 1, that's off, that's position 2. It's great because the engine's not running. It'll only actually come on when the engine's running. So, just to prove the point, we'll start it up. Position 1. There we go, it's come on now. So, with the engine running, if you can hear me, position 1, position 2, and off. For the rider seat, we're using the joystick. Position 1, position 2. So in the winter, we're going to have them both on. And off. And it's as simple as that. But on the subject of the pillion seat, bit of a bonus tip. This seat has adjustment backwards and forwards. So if I can show you, the hooks have 2 holes to hook into, and this clip, which plugs into the locating pin, can be rotated. So, it's a bit hard with the wire on. If you pull that little plug out, you can rotate it, and then use the forward points and that's it, clicked in. So that's the forward position. So if the top box was too close to you, or your pillion likes to be a bit close to the rider, that's your forward position. However, as you'll see on the review video, it's a bit too close. So we'll put it back to the rearmost position. So that's the rear pillion seat upgraded. 2 minutes. Don't forget to keep that plug somewhere safe with the old seat. That's it. So I hope you found that useful, dead easy, massive improvement for the pillion comfort in the colder weather. Right, that's it for this video. See you next one.